Young people today, they don't know what hard times are. I want to tell you the story of the Great Flood of 2018. Started out kind of not like a flood at all. Ended up waking up early in the morning with 4 inches of snow on the ground. It was white everywhere. There was no way of knowing that later a flood was coming. Later, it got warm. The snow melted and it began to rain. And rain, rain, and rain. I mean, it rained. It rained to the point where you couldn't see at the end of your hood on your car. It rained so hard. And by the end of the next day, there was groundwater coming straight up into the basements, and the creeks were flooded, and the rivers had risen out of their banks. And in my little town, we had a flash flood. People were sandbagging to save what they... Well, it was tough, but we survived the flood of 2018. I suppose it wasn't as bad as Noah's great flood, but we sure remember it. Of course, we survived the 2018 flood, and I suppose everybody learned a valuable lesson about taking spring for granted. But there was a lot of hard work involved in cleaning up, and lessons learned, I suppose.